champions take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us, every nation.
3 added minutes coming up. It's Steven Gerrard. Oh, fantastic! That's more like it! That's the Gerrard we know! This is the England we know! They are going through to the knockout phase!
This is Lahm. Schweinsteiger outside and Lahm here.
Oh, what an effort!
This is a sensational opening goal of the World Cup. This is Sprinks who could try one from here.
Oh, what a bullet!
Zachary Cohen. That's a very, very good run.
Give you freedom, give you fire, give you reason, take you higher. See the champions take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us, every nation all around us. Sing forever young, sing songs underneath.
That was a good ball to Figo. He had Nuno Valente in support with the dummy run. Figo's found Deco! Deco and scored a screamer! That is glorious! Sorry. That's a great goal! That is a fantastic goal by Maxi Rodriguez! What a hit!
Apparently looking to get on the outside of Edmund. Beckham squeezing across here. Crouch is waiting there. So too is Lampard. Good defended by Tobias Linderoth. Joe Cole, why not? Swinging shot, brilliant! Why not? Absolutely fantastic goal from Joe Cole.
Joe Cole finishing with them.
And Beckham!